Today I'm excited to be opening a package from Indoor Farmer. This is the first time that I've ordered from Indoor Farmer. They're a family-owned company here in Ontario, and to be honest, I wasn't that interested in them before because predominantly they catered to those who wanted to grow indoors, which is not really me, but they've been branching out, and now they have more and more products for people who want to do some outdoor gardening or different kinds of crops, and that is me. So I'm very excited to support them, and I've ordered some products from Bootstrap Farmer. Now, Bootstrap Farmer has not paid me for this endorsement. They don't even know about it, nor does Indoor Farmer, which is a little place in Waterloo here in Ontario. I'm just doing this for the sake of myself being really interested, and I thought I'd make a video in case you're also interested in the products from Bootstrap Farmer for seed starting and Indoor Farmer. So to start off, I've got a plain box that came from Canada Post. Wonderful. I just want to see what's inside. Right away, there's this lovely little thank you card. This is something that a lot of companies do. It says that my order is prepared by Rob. So I have that lovely little feel good, yes, I'm supporting local. It was a real person who sought my order. And everything looks to be packaged quite nicely. All right. So I ordered these lovely seed starting cells and some holeless containers. So one of the big things for Bootstrap Farmer is that their stuff is supposed to be more durable than you typically get in the store. And without any plants in it, this definitely seems like it's going to last a couple seasons. That's pretty solid plastic there. It's not too bendable. That's lovely. It's, food grade, BPA free, all of that stuff. And then these little brightly colored, I love the bright colors. I also love that the packaging is quite sustainable. There's not a lot of extra plastic. I know it's made out of plastic itself, but it is really nice to minimize how much plastic you use and for the plastic that you do use to be reusable. These also nice and sturdy. Okay, so the idea is that I will fill this with my seed starting mix, and then it will have good air circulation for good root development, hopefully directing the roots to grow downward and not to become too pot bound. And then when I want to poke my whole thing out, I can just, and it should pop up on out of there. And then they fit very nicely in my container. Well, that's very exciting. I'm glad to have done business with Indoor Farmer and to have bought these products from Bootstrap Farmer. Wonderful. Hopefully this helps my garden to grow a little better. However your garden grows, keep growing as a gardener.